Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will be showing you how to set up Python for any project you'd like. I'm also going to link a playlist, or maybe this isn't going to be in the playlist, who knows. So let's just get started. First of all, you need to head to python.org to download it, and then click on downloads. And right now I'm just going to download Python, the latest version. You can download any version you like, it's up to you. There's a bunch of versions here. For now, I'm just going to download the latest version 3.8.3. It'll probably differ for you when you're watching this, but scroll all the way to the bottom and click the installation based on what your OS is. For me, I'm on a Windows 10 64-bit, so I'm gonna click on Windows 64 executable installer, and here it is installing. I'll open it. Okay, so make sure you click on Add Python 3.8 to path. Like, make sure you click this tiny checkbox here, and then click on Install now. Okay, it's ready. So it says setup was successful. Close out of it. Okay, to check your Python version, you can just type in Python -- version. You see a Python is installed. But one of the main core features is, remember when if you click the tiny check mark that said add to path, you won't be able to do this. You won't be able to do this. What I just did is called pip. Pip is used, you can use all of these commands, and there's the definitions here. I mostly use pip install to and uninstall to install and uninstall project files. So now you're ready. But how can you use Python? You don't have to use this command prompt all the time. That's where this comes in. This is called Sublime Text. Whatever operating system you're using, it'll show it here, so you can just click on download and install it. I already have it installed, so I'll quickly pull it up. Okay, so now you just click on File and New File. And then click on File again and click on Save As. And I'll just save mine in my desktop. I'm just going to call it test.py. Make sure you put this .py at the end, or else it won't be a Python file. And I'll just click on all files, and I'll just find Python here. And then just click Save. And as you see, it just at the bottom corner it should say Python. That's all the setup done. Now I'm just gonna run a quick test to make sure there's not gonna be any errors with this. File, save. To run in Sublime Text, first you just make sure you go to Tools, Build System, and make sure it's Python. And then click on Build. Nothing should come up. It should just say how long it took to run. That's all for setup. Coderzilla signing out.